Hello friends, in this video I'm going to teach you how to register in Phemex Exchange. When you enter the website, click on sign up. We entered the registration section, which you can register with your email or linking your account to Google, Apple, Telegram, X, or connecting your account to wallets. We choose email. Enter your email and password, which I recommend you to use uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols, plus minimum 8 characters or more. After entering the password, if you have an invitation code, enter it here. Check this box to agree to the terms and conditions of the website. Finally, click on Create Account and Claim Reward. We're going to receive a code in our email. In order to verify our email, go to your email, click on Phemex, then click on Confirm Email, or copy the code, then paste it here. We entered our accounts dashboard. Our account has been created, and in the next video, we're going to teach you how to verify your account in Phemex Exchange. Good luck.